So in my last video, I introduced you guys to the Yee outdoor camera. And after a few weeks of testing, still believe that this is a very strong competitor to the likes of the Nest. Yeah, everybody has been asking me, yo, how it compared to the Nest? This is truly an amazing device. However, the true purpose of this video is to let you guys know how good of an outdoor camera this Yee device is. What's up everyone? Welcome to another Reconnecting James video. Now guys, what you're seeing here is the Yee outdoor camera being connected to a power source after being submerged in water for 15 minutes. Now the question is, will it work?
Welcome to Yee Home Camera. Waiting to connect.
Whether it's wet conditions or extremely hot and sunny, this camera will work. But how will it perform in the cold? Now before getting into the freezer test, can someone point out how do you connect this device to a hotspot? I tried for hours with the hotel's Wi-Fi and it just would not work.
Reset the camera.
What I was hoping to achieve here is to view the progress of the camera while it was inside the freezer, but since I was unable to do that, I decided to fill a container with water and have it freeze. Now if the camera failed before it turned to ice, we know the Yee is not good for extremely cold climates. However, if it continued to work even after this container of water turned to ice, we know that this is the ultimate outdoor camera. So after about 30 minutes in the freezer, the Yee outdoor camera was still working. I needed to pass time, so what better thing to do than to check out Yee's indoor home camera. If you need something for indoor purposes, then this is another camera you need to check out. So guys, this version of the Yee's home cam is the 1080p full HD version, which has night vision, motion detection, baby crying detection. So for you guys out there with young ones, this is an ideal camera for you. It also has two-way audio, just like the outdoor cam. So yo, if you need an indoor device, an indoor camera, check out the Yee 1080p home camera. So I spent about 2 hours on the road checking out the Yee home camera, coming back in and realizing, yo, the outdoor camera is a boss. The water was already forming ice, but the camera was still functioning. So what's up guys, it's a brand new day and we have a solid container of ice. So right now, this is frozen. Solid.
Waiting to connect.
And you still hear the camera. You can still hear the camera making noise, still trying to connect. Solid block of ice. And the camera still functioning. Hey, one incredible thing to point out guys is that even though it's just coming out of the freezer, it didn't feel cold. You could see the moisture on the casing, but it actually felt warm. The only section that was cold was that shaft area connecting the casing and the ball joint. Alright, so what's up guys? We are back. I'm home. I really wanted to show you guys what it would look like in the refrigerator connected to the Wi-Fi, but unfortunately it just wasn't connecting to the hotel's Wi-Fi. But I'm home, I'm going to be mounting the camera, I'm going to be connecting the camera to Wi-Fi, and we'll see if this still works. So if you're in a cold or country with a cold climate, then we will know if this camera, if this Yee outdoor camera is ideal for you guys. So I'm gonna get the camera back up. Well, I think what I should do is just connect it to the Wi-Fi first. So plug it in, connect to the Wi-Fi, and we'll see if it works before I actually mount it. So let's get that done. So I need screwdriver. Well, no, not screwdriver. I'm just gonna connect it. So the moment we're waiting for, we're gonna see if this still works.
Welcome to Yee home camera. Waiting to connect.
So you just heard the camera. Launch the app. This is it.
Wi-Fi is connected.
Ah. All right. So let's see if this thing still works.
Pairing is successful. You can start using your camera now.
All right. So start using my Yee. And we're gonna see if it works. All right. So the camera does work. So it is working. Camera still works. So it does. It can withstand the cold. So this is your true outdoor camera. So it has been outside for a few days in the hot sun. We know Jamaica sun hot. So it has been outside for a very long time. About a week, 2 weeks in the sun. There was a little rainfall, and it was there. You've seen the test. You've seen me place it in the sink, water running. I've submerged it in a bottle of water. It still works, and it's in the refrigerator for what was it? Maybe about 15 or 18 hours, and still works. So this is your ultimate outdoor cam. So I'm sold on this one. So yeah, still works. So camera still works, guys. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna record this. I'm gonna record this sections for you guys to see. Still works. Alright, so your ultimate test endured the hot sun, endured the rainfall, did the water test, passed that, and did your refrigerator test in your freezer for 18 hours and it passed. So your Yee ultimate camera, ultimate outdoor camera. Can't wait to test out the others when they send it. So for the person saying Nest, you can check out the description. There's a link there. You can donate, use the funds and purchase a Nest and other cameras. Some persons are saying Arlo. I'll purchase those cameras and do a test similar to the Yee and see who or what or which one is your ultimate, which one is the best outdoor camera.
cool. Guess what? If you need this is something I didn't know. If you need customer support, you just shake the phone while the app is open. And that takes you right to customer support. Alright, so camera all set up now. Yep. Good to go. Alright, so camera is up and running again. Perfect. You live in a hot climate, no worries. You have your back. You live in a cold climate, no worries. You have you covered. If you're, the rooster says it, the rooster is agreeing. If you are in an area that's always wet, a lot of rainfall, the Yee outdoor camera is definitely the camera to get. And I guess until I check out something else, but for now, I'll say the Yee. But thank you for tuning in to another Reconnecting James video, guys. Make sure you check the description. The links to the Yee products. I mean, they have a ton load of products. Action cameras. I'm thinking of getting 3 action cameras for the car, because I'm doing another set of videos on the Reconnecting James YouTube channel. Not Reconnecting James, sorry, Autovibe YouTube channel. You should go and check that out. But I'm thinking of getting a few action cameras. So check the description. Really great products. Yeah, action camera. They're mirrorless. They have their outdoor camera, indoor camera, and a few other devices. But make sure you subscribe. I'm out of breath. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you share this video if it works for you. And yeah, subscribe, share with your friends, and give a thumbs up. Give a thumbs up. It does a whole lot for this video and this channel. And if you're thinking of purchasing an outdoor cam, consider the Yee. But best of yourself, guys.